Today we'll be hiking through Ricketts Glen. I'm going to start out going up the Old Bulldozer Road Trail. So today we're going to be hiking along Old Bulldozer Road. We're going to take this up to the Valley View Vista and have a nice look over the area here around Ricketts Glen. The red dot here marks the Old Bulldozer Road. So while we're walking along Old Bulldozer Road here, we will be walking along the eastern border of the Glen's natural area in Ricketts Glen Park. Now as we go up Old Bulldozer Road, we'll ascend about 1,000 feet. I found this rock outcropping overlooking the Glen's natural area. Here I got to see a black and white warbler. I'm seeing some other birds, but they're too far away for me to get any identification on. But definitely you can see birds well from this area. On the ascent of this Old Bulldozer Road, it's mostly uphill, and you can definitely feel it on your legs. Once you get on flat ground, it's a lot easier to walk. So this trail is mainly taking you through the woods. We're not going along any streams here. I'm sitting here listening to a red-eyed Vireo. I can hear it very well. It's right in front of us, but I can't see it, so I'm hoping it will make itself visible. So we're heading from 118 towards Lake Jean, and that's up where the state park headquarters are. So we're heading now towards the Valley View Vista. We're getting close to the view now. So here at the Valley View Vista, we're looking out over 118 and beyond. So basically kind of looking back almost where we started from and then way beyond that. Many of the trees that I'm seeing here are oaks, hickories, and birches. So I've been seeing these raptors soaring around. The view here at the Valley View Vista is really nice. You can see out for miles, and it looks really beautiful with the rain clouds rolling in. We have some breezes coming in. It's supposed to start raining soon, and so the clouds have just been building up. So you might see this column of steam in the back here. That's the Susquenhanna Steam Electric Station. It's about 16 miles away. It kind of looks like a tornado cloud or a plume of smoke. I thought there was a fire back there, but yeah, it's just the steam being emitted from the power plant. It's lucky to be here now. The mountain laurel are in bloom. The mountain laurel really has a nice fragrance. The trail's getting rockier. Going down the mountain's a lot more easier than going up. These ferns are called hay-scented fern. So we had a nice walk on Old Bulldozer Road. We made it up to the Valley View Vista and had a great view. There was some nice walking through the woods. The forest is amazing. We saw a variety of different bird species, and there were other little critters that we saw. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed walking with me on Old Bulldozer Road. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you guys next time. So it's just starting to pour rain as I'm coming to my car. So I really couldn't have timed that better.